Good morning, my students. I am Jerry Wheeler and I'm going to teach you economics for class 12th. And today we are going to solve questions which I have given in home assignment. So now we will solve the questions which I have given in home assignment in previous video. Just check the question. Calculate gross national product at factor cost, which means GNP at FC from the following items. The items are given like this. Net domestic product means NDP at market price. So we can write it as here also NDP at market price. It was given NDP at market price. And consumption of fixed capital means it is DAP, depreciation. Then comes factor income received from abroad and then factor income paid to abroad. It means these are the two factors of NFIA which you have to find out by putting the formula. Indirect tax and at last subsidies is given. And what we have to find out? We have to find out GNP at FC. So what is a big term is given to us? That is NDP at MP. So now let's see how we will solve it. So first we will write what is given to us and we will write what we have to find out. So we have written given NDP at MP and we have to find out GNP at FC. What we have to find out? GNP at FC. Now first one is what? N, and here it is what? Gross. So from convert net to gross, what we are doing? Net to gross. Let's check the formula. Net to gross. What we are doing? If we are having net and we have to convert into gross, so what we are adding? What? Depreciation. So what we will do here? We will add here what? Depreciation. So plus dep, or you can say depreciation. Then what is there? Domestic. And what we need to find out? National. So if we have to convert domestic to national, so we have to add NFIA, which means net factor income from abroad. Then P here, and at last MP is here, and what is there? Is MP is here, and we have to convert it into factor cost. We have to find out factor cost. So in order to convert MP into factor cost, what we need to do? We have to subtract NIT. What we need to do? Subtract NIT. Okay, so we got our formula. We have to find out GNP at FC. GNP at FC. What we are having? NDP at MP, in which we add depreciation. Then we add NFIA, net factor income from abroad, and at last we subtract net indirect tax. So NDP at MP was given how much? NDP at MP 15,000. Then we have done 15,000. Then plus depreciation. So consumption of fixed capital means depreciation, given 2,000. So we have add 2,000 here, this one. And then it was NFIA. Now net factor income from abroad is coming after how? When we how much we have received from abroad. From that balance we will subtract how much we have paid to abroad. So received how much? 300 minus paid, that is, so received minus paid. So received from abroad minus paid to abroad. Then NIT. Now we are given two items, that is indirect tax and subsidies. So how we will get net indirect tax? By subtracting subsidies from indirect tax. So indirect tax minus subsidies. So we have put it the values 15,000 plus 2,000, 300 received. Paid how much? 700 minus indirect tax 170, and subsidies how much? 50. So it becomes 15 plus 2, 17,000. 300 minus 700, as 700 is bigger than 300, so it becomes minus 400. Then minus 170 minus 50, it becomes 120. So 17,000 plus minus, it becomes minus 400, and then minus 120. 17,000 will remain here. 400 plus 120, it becomes, because minus plus, so 400 plus 120, 520. So 17,000 minus 520, it comes answer 16,480. So this is the what? GNP at FC. So in this way we have find out our GNP at FC, and what we are given? NDP at MP. Now move to question number 2. From the following data, estimate depreciation. Now we have to find out depreciation, and what is given to us? Net national product at factor cost. It means that we are given NNP, because net national product, NNP at factor cost means at FC. Okay, then they are asking what? Gross domestic product also given. So gross GDP, gross domestic product at what? Market price. So we have done this one also. Net indirect tax means short form NIT. Net factor income from abroad, it means NFIA. So most of the things they have given already. Now what we have to find out? We have to find depreciation. Now depreciation we have to find out. So for depreciation, where you have learned depreciation? For depreciation we have learned the formula that if we are converting gross into net, or we are converting net to gross, then we are using DAP. Okay. So what is given to us here? NNP at FC and GDP at MP. So what we will do? We will convert this GDP into NNP FC. GDP at MP we will convert into NNP FC. Though both are given, but our concept is to find out the depreciation. So we'll try to find out the formula of depreciation with the help of this. So what we have done here, look at here. GDP at MP was given and NNP at FC also given, but we are trying to convert this into. Now if we convert gross to net, so what we will do? We will subtract depreciation, then domestic D to this N means national, so plus NFIA. Okay. At last what? Product MP to FC. When we converting market price to factor cost, so what we have to do? We have to subtract net indirect tax. Let's check the formula. GDP at MP, we are having GDP at MP. From that one we subtract depreciation plus NFIA minus NIT. Okay, clear to all? Now what is the question? The question is that we have to find out depreciation. So we have to make it alone what? Depreciation. So this minus depreciation was there. We will transfer this minus depreciation from right hand side to left hand side. So when it will shift to left hand side, so it becomes plus. So it becomes plus here, depreciation. And this NNPFC will shift from left hand side to right hand side. So it was plus here, so it becomes minus here. Just check here. GTP at MP, it came here, so it becomes minus NNPFC. And other things remain here, there only. Plus NFIA minus NIT. Okay. Now from the question we will find their value. GDP at MP was given 8,200, NNP at FC was given 7,000, and FIA was given 200, and NIT was given 600. So we'll do the calculation. 8,200 plus this was plus 200, so plus 200 will written together, and minus we are writing together. Minus 7,000 minus 600. 8,200 plus 200 becomes 8,400, minus plus, so 7,600. So 8,400 minus 7,600, it becomes 800 crore. This is the value of our depreciation. This is a very good question, because in this question we have given both. We are given GDP at MP also and NP at FC, but they have asked depreciation. So that's why by putting this formula, we found the formula for depreciation. I hope it is clear to you. So now move to the next question, which is also like this only. Calculate net indirect tax from the following items. What we have to find out? Net indirect tax from the following items. So what is given to us? GNP at market price. Now I hope you are able to find out what is given to us like that, short form. What is given to us? GNP at MP, gross national product. GNP at market price was given. And then what is given? And net domestic product, it means NDP at factor cost means FC. So NDP at FC was given. Consumption of fixed capital. Now I hope you learn it is DAP only. This is the other name of depreciation. Okay, and then net factor income from abroad, it means directly it was given NFIA. So these things are given. Okay, and what we have to find out? We have to find out what? Net indirect tax. We have to find out NIT. Just see, calculate NIT. Okay, so again for NIT we have not learned any formula like this, because we are forming the formula. So again, what is given to us? The main two terms, GNP at MP and NDP at FC. So we convert this GNP at MP to NDP at FC. So we have taken GNP at MP and we will convert this into NDP at FC. So first is what? Gross. So this gross will convert into net. So gross to net, we have to do what? Minus DAP. Okay, then N is there, T is there. It means net. Oh sorry, not N. Second term is there, national. So national to domestic. When we're converting national to domestic, remember there, national to domestic, so we are subtracting NFIA. Okay, and at last market price to factor cost. It means we have to convert this market price to factor cost. So when we are moving from market price to factor cost, just check here, market price to factor cost, what we are doing, subtracting NIT. So we have to subtract what, NIT here. So minus NIT. So we got our formula. NTP at FC we have to find out. GNP at MP we are having minus DAP minus NFIA minus NIT. The question was calculate what, net indirect tax. So we'll move this NIT from right hand side to left hand side. So it was minus there, it becomes plus. What we are having here inside already, GNP at MP. Okay. Now this NDP at FC also will move to this side. So it was plus, it becomes minus. This minus NFIA will remain like this only. Okay. And minus DAP also remain like this only. Now put the values which was given in the question. GNP at MP was given 8000, NDP at FC was given 7200, then DAP was given 400, and NFIA was given minus 600. Remember, in question they have given net factor income from abroad minus 600. So in question formula also it is coming minus. See, minus NFIA, minus, and NFIA was also a negative value, that is minus 600. Let's check here. 8000 minus 7200 minus 400. Now this minus become plus, so it becomes 600. So 8000 then plus value we are writing together, so plus 600 minus 7200 minus 400, so minus plus, so it becomes 7600. It becomes 8600 minus 7600, so it becomes answer 1000 crore. So our net indirect tax value is how much? 1000 crore. So I hope in this way you can find out the questions also. I hope it is clear too, because we have solved enough questions of this topic. So when we are doing the next chapter, I hope you can do it clearly and in a proper manner. So at last I want to say, be safe and God bless you all.